Oh yeah! Today is May 27th, 2022, and it's the first day of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. I missed my opportunity to get it this morning. It sold out like that, so I'm hoping to get in at the 1 o'clock. Otherwise, we're gonna go check out the store. I've been on it several times before, so if we miss it today, it's not the end of the world. Let's go check this out. Oh yeah! Get some of the merchandise here at the Creation Shop. We might go check this out real quick first. In the store, and I couldn't get in again. No. So I got new Magic Bands here. I always pick up Magic Bands, so I will definitely get into this one here. Oh yes. I'm assuming this is going to be one of these. No, maybe not. Maybe, I'm not sure. We got the Star Blaster here, the Guardian ship down here. I'm gonna get that hat too. I'm sucker for a good hat. Let me get the hat. I like it, but I'm not gonna get it. Rocket from Guardians 2. I'm gonna need this. You want to be Star-Lord, you can be Star-Lord now. The cool turbos here too. Very sparkly. You got Star-Lord's jacket here as well. Shirts. Another hat. Not as good as the other hat though. No, of course, it's pretty cool. A really weird mug. It's actually kind of cool. You get another hat here, Guardians of the Galaxy. I'm gonna get that other hat though. I really like that first hat. We got Groot magnets here. We also have a Groot through the ears. That's pretty cool. Then we got a lot of classic looking things with Guardians of the Galaxy. I do like the notebook. A very small notebook though. I do like some little posters, those are kind of cool. Picture frames. Oh, no, I guess that part's part of the picture frame, everything else is the background. Some more shirts here. Another hat. You can get yourself a fanny pack. It's kind of cracking me up. Got a ton of pins. Guardians of the Galaxy, I Am Groot, Guardians, You got a backpack here. I like the backpack too. We also have this smaller backpack over here. Honorary Guardians. I'm gonna get the hat. They also released a bunch of different Infinity War stuff here. So we got Thanos, Loki, Ronan. Here's like the Infinity Stones. Loki's helmet. Alright, this goes along with those toys from earlier. We got the warning maximum 50 jumps. And then down here, 700 jumps. These toys are hilarious. Alright, then we have the Infinity Gauntlets. This is actually very cool because as you can tell, there's no stones here. They have a brand new thing here. So over here you can actually buy individual Infinity Stones, which, you know, maybe if the Guardians and the Avengers and Thanos knew this, it would have taken all those movies. But you can buy those and place them in there, and then you can also get the staff here. Loki Scepter. Oh yeah, they're great. And then you can put the stones in there and it changes different colors and different things. Oh, got it right here. Oh yeah. That's so cool.
Oh, that's what they were.
Oh, and it's got the briefcase too. Alright, so we got more shirts here. Classic 80s looking Epcot shirts. So the things in the boxes there over there are the different relics. You got the Tesseract, you got Dr. Strange's Time Stone. That's so cool how they do that. And we got the Cosmic Rewind purse. This is all really cool. I'm gonna buy these two things though. There's a pass holder shirt here too. It's a pretty neat shirt.
This is soft. This is like, this is pretty.
Oh yeah. So unfortunately I could not get the reservation today. However, I do love the energy when a new ride opens. It does make it a lot more entertaining. Oh yeah. Happy opening day, guys. I am Groot. The sound of a rocket. Oh man. Well, thank you everyone for joining us for, I guess we looked at merchandise. We didn't get to go on the ride at all. But thank you everyone for joining us. Unfortunately, we did not get to go on today. I do have another park reservation tomorrow for Epcot, so hopefully we can get on the ride tomorrow. I have to head off to work right now. So as always, if you're not always subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe by pushing this button right down here. And until tomorrow, we'll see you tomorrow. Oh, yeah.